Hey guys, let me show you how to connect Airpods to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, let's take our Airpods. In my case, it is Airpods 2nd generation. And now let's open Settings, or just simply swipe from the top right corner down and hold this Bluetooth icon. Now we need to open the case on the Airpods and take a look at its back part. Here you can see this round button. Let's press it and hold till this indicator starts blinking white. Just like this. And now let's find this device in the list of available devices. So if it does not appear, try to turn off Bluetooth and turn it on again. And here is my device. So just simply click it and wait till it paired. Now confirm by clicking this pair button. And that's all. Now your earpods are connected to the phone and you can see this little Bluetooth icon on the top of the screen. And you can also check it in the settings. So let's click it, go in connections, then in Bluetooth, and we see our device in the list of paired devices. So if you want to unpair it, just click this settings icon and then click unpair or disconnect. Just like this. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.